Doing a video walk around on this Yamaha Drive 2. I just finished installing the enclosure made by Mulligan. And this video is for my future self on installing these enclosures. Since I don't do them every day, it's good to just get photos, videos, how these are installed. Just hardly needed to notch the floor mat or that fit. Very cool. This windshield blocks a lot of the air flow, so that's pretty cool. Black snaps. Cart turned out immaculate. Here's how the rear is mounted. This is how that goes. Very nice. Slips in through here. Zips for accessing the basket back here. Very cool, you can access it from the inside. I couldn't get this together because of the sand bottle here. That's okay. And also this seat is pushing it out a little bit. So it probably interferes with a couple things. Very nice. Put together these bungees, connected right there. I think if I were to do it again, I'd probably mount this hook a little bit lower. But still great how it turned out. That's how it mounts up here. I did, with the angle grinder, grind up where the bolt hooks up to make it flat. So, excellent. And so this is supposed to be mounted inside, but on this windshield I wasn't able to do that. So I just thought that would be good enough. And for this wind block here, you mount it on the inside there, the Velcro, and then it mounts on the card holder, I think that's called, and it's just Velcroed. And I did put some screws in it. It is rhinoline, so it's a little bit too textured for it to hold, so I put some screws in so it would hold. And then there's snaps on the end for more air blockage. So, yep, I'm very happy how it turned out. Highly recommend it. Mulligan enclosures. Beautiful.